Indonesia is on the cusp of a new president. Prabowo Subianto is a four-star general turned politician. He says he's more than ready to lead. This is a country of 280 million people with an ambition of being the fifth largest economy in 2045. President-elect Prabowo Subianto, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for inviting me.
You campaigned on the promise of continuity. Give us a sense of what policies will be a priority in your first 2 years of government.
Yes, as you know, nation building is a long-term process, and President Joko Widodo has built a strong foundation, and I'm determined to build on that foundation. And my core focus will be first on food security. Indonesia must be self-sufficient in food. And then energy security, energy self-sufficiency. And we are determined to bring down poverty in a massive campaign, massive effort. I'm determined to get rid of hunger amongst our people, especially the young. And in the end, we have to concentrate on processing our natural resources. We have to make a great effort in downstreaming and to industrialize. And all of this needs good governance. I'm determined to cut down corruption, waste, and with that, we are very confident, we are very bullish, we are very determined to bring this all about.
All very ambitious if you want to do it within your first term, which is 5 years. Can you achieve a growth target of beyond 5% in order for you to fulfill what you have set out to do? In my conversation with Bapak Joko Widodo, he said that he's laid the foundation, he's implemented all the policies, put in place infrastructure needed for Indonesia to grow at 7%. Can you achieve 7% or more in the 5 years of government?
I'm very confident. I've talked to my experts. I've studied the figures. I'm very confident we can easily achieve 8%, and I am determined to go beyond.
8% within the 5 years, the first year, second year, and when you go beyond, are you looking at double-digit growth?
I would say within 2-3 years, yes.
You talked about downstreaming. What are the other growth drivers for you? Or would downstreaming be key to you achieving 7, 8, 9% growth?
Downstreaming will take several years. What will be a growth driver in the first years will be our concentration on agriculture, food production, food distribution, and energy. We want to go green in a very quick way. We want to produce our diesel from palm oil, and this will be a very strong growth driver. You know, we import $20 billion every year for diesel oil. So can you imagine the savings we will have when we will switch to biofuel?
Indonesia has often said it is open for business. Yet, I think a lot of investors say it's adopted protectionist policies, limits on the export of nickel, coal, palm oil. Is it important for you to move away from nationalistic protectionist policies?
No, I think there's a misperception. We are not protectionist. What we are doing is very logical. Every country in the world will fight or will protect the national core interest of their people. And we think that we want to industrialize, and those are our natural resources. We have to protect our interest in the sense that we must get the full value, right? We cannot keep importing industrial goods all the time. It's not fair to our people. We will not be an advanced industrial society if we are just a producer of raw materials.
I want to touch on your spending plans. When you campaigned, you talked about how you want to provide free lunches, free milk for students, and some are questioning how you will pay for such a program. Can you fund that program if you're unable to perhaps raise the limit of your budget deficit beyond 3%? You've said you can.
We have studied this. We have, what do you call it? We studied all the figures, and we are very confident we can do that. We are very confident we can do that.
Nah, itulah kawannya jawaban Pak Prabowo saat ditanya oleh media asing terkait cita-cita Pak Prabowo. Nah, ini kalau kita semua rakyat Indonesia mendukung cita-cita Pak Prabowo, maka kita semua akan makmur dan sejahtera. Insya Allah kita akan mencapai Indonesia emas ke depannya. Dan itu perjuangan dilanjutkan dari sekarang. Mantap. Bagikan videonya kawan.